everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping one box 2019 Bowman Draft Baseball Jumbo. This is for Matthew F. Good luck, Matthew. Yep, that's right. Wilson, Shervian Newton, Sapphire. Adley Rutschman, Sapphire Paper, nice. And there's Adley Refractor. Julio Rodriguez, and Refractor Auto to 499, Jimmy Lewis. Refractors. And to 50, Julio Pablo Martinez. Nice JPM. Gold. There's Kirk and Logan Wyatt. Victor. That was Liam from the shipping department. Nasim Nunez, Seth Beer, purple paper. Jack Kochanowicz, refractor. Paper. Refractors, come on. Come on, big hit. That is Rays. Blue Refractor Auto to 150, John Tosakis. There you go, Tampa Bay. There you go, Matthew. Refractors. There's Cooper Johnson, blue paper, 150. There's refractors, Logan Gilbert Sapphire. That's base auto, Kendall Williams. No, what happened? Anthony Siegler, Sapphire Paper. Oh, that sucks. That's gross. Who was he fighting? I forgot. And that's going to do it for your box, Matthew. Thank you for the purchase. I appreciate it. We'll get those shipped right out to you.